Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and pliers. Start by unplugging the Conga 990 to ensure safety during the repair process. Lay the vacuum on a flat surface, preferably on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Next, remove the screws from the bottom cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Carefully set them aside in a container for easy access later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bottom cover off. Inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. This is a great opportunity to clean the internal parts. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the motor area. Now, locate the motor assembly. It is usually secured with a few screws, which you will need to remove. If you encounter any resistance, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart any connectors. Remember, this is a delicate part, so proceed with caution. As you work, if you find the task overwhelming or if you lack the necessary tools, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you have removed the screws, carefully disconnect the motor's wiring harness. Take note of where each wire connects for easy reassembly. Next, remove the old motor from its housing. Before installing the new motor, inspect the housing for any cracks or damages. If everything looks good, clean the area thoroughly. Now it's time to install the new motor. Position it in the housing and reconnect the wiring harness according to your earlier notes. Secure the motor with screws, ensuring they are tight but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. After securing the motor, replace the bottom cover by aligning it properly and reinsert the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly, as improper assembly can lead to further issues. Before you finish, it's crucial to perform a final inspection. Check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose wires. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This way, you won't need to make any calls or travel if you prefer professional help. Finally, plug in your Conga 990 and run a test cycle. Listen for any unusual sounds that could indicate improper installation. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations on your successful motor replacement. If there are any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can ensure your Conga 990 operates like new again, ready for your cleaning tasks ahead. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.